Hyperpigmentation treatment at home. Hyperpigmentation is a harmless skin condition in which patches of skin becomes darker in color than the normal surrounding skin. A common cause of hyperpigmentation is an excess production of melanin. Melanin is a natural pigment that gives skin its color. Causes of hyperpigmentation. A common cause of hyperpigmentation is an excess production of melanin. A number of factors can trigger an increase in melanin production, but the main ones are genetics, changes in hormones during pregnancy, Addison's disease, age and skin inflammation, excessive sun exposure, certain skincare products, certain medications or health conditions, and some foods which contain chemical hormones that can aggravate hormone-triggered hyperpigmentation. In terms of prevention, always protect yourself from sun exposure to prevent further pigmentation and prevent existing pigmentation from getting worse. Protect yourself by using sunscreen lotions, wearing hats or clothing that block sunlight, and avoiding sunlight when it's strongest. Home remedies to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots and blemishes. Raw potato. Potato inhibits melanocytes and restricts the production of pigments. Slice a raw potato and directly apply to the affected area. Rub in circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes and leave for 10 minutes. Gently wash the area with cold water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for a month to see visible results. Or you can use raw potato juice as a cleanser to get rid of dark spots and acne. Potato juice, when gently rubbed on the skin, helps lighten pigmentation. Raw potato and milk. Slice a raw potato and make a paste of it. Add 2 teaspoons of raw milk into it and apply this mixture on the affected area by using cotton ball. Wait for 20 minutes, then rinse off with cold water. Apply 3 times a week. Red onions. Onions are rich source of flavonoids and antioxidants and vitamins such as A, vitamin C and vitamin E that are extremely important for healthy skin. Cut a slice of the red onion and directly rub onto the affected area. Wash off with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. Repeat twice a day until you see a difference. Or take an onion, cut into small pieces or grate it finely and juice them up. Add water to dilute it further if you have very sensitive skin. Dip a cotton ball into it and apply it on the affected area and allow it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it with plain water. Regular usage of onion juice reduces hyperpigmentation and gives you firmer and youthful skin. Papaya. Papaya is a miracle ingredient that can clear out the scars and uneven pigmentation on the skin. The enzyme called papain is the key exfoliator, and the skin lightening properties of the fruit help in getting rid of blemishes and pigmentation. Grate a medium-sized papaya and squeeze it. Apply the juice to the affected areas and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat daily for a month or until you see a change. Green papaya. It's rich in natural alpha hydroxy acids enzymes. Regular use of papaya will help in fading dark spots and scars and make skin bright and vibrant. Honey is known for its moisturizing antibacterial properties, and yogurt is rich in lactic acid which reduces tan on skin and makes skin smooth and supple. Peel the papaya, remove the seeds and cut into small pieces and blend it into a paste without adding water. Remove it in a small bowl. Then add honey and yogurt and mix well. Apply it on face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse off with cold water. Almond and milk. Soak almonds in water overnight and then grind it into a coarse paste. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and a few drops of milk into it to make a scrub. Apply it directly to the skin and gently scrub the skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash with cold water. Repeat daily. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids and is known for its skin nourishing, anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid which helps shed dead cells from the skin and diminishes hyperpigmentation in the skin. Yogurt will help moisturize, fight acne, prevent premature aging, relieve sunburn, and reduces discoloration. The probiotics in yogurt destroy the bacteria. Apply plain unsweetened yogurt or raw milk directly to the pigmented area, or soak a cotton ball and apply it to the area. Let the yogurt or milk sit for a few minutes and then rinse off the area thoroughly with cold water and apply moisturizer. Repeat this process daily until you see the difference. Raw milk is enriched with lactic acid, calcium, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients are extremely beneficial for skin as they help regenerate skin cells, hydrate and moisturize skin, repair tissues, and boost skin elasticity and collagen production. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can do wonders for your skin. Its antibacterial and antioxidant properties helps kill pathogens including bacteria. It helps boost skin and rejuvenates it to the maximum. It can also prevent skin infections. Undiluted apple cider vinegar can cause burning sensations due to its high acidic levels, so one must dilute apple cider vinegar before applying it on the skin. Mix 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 3 parts of water. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to use more water. Cleanse your face with mild face wash and pat dry. Using a cotton ball, gently apply the mixture to the affected skin. Leave for 2 minutes. Rinse with water and pat dry. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a rich source of antioxidants and vitamin C. They act as a natural bleaching agent. Tomatoes have pore shrinking properties and helps tighten the skin, thus it reduces acne and pimples. Applying tomato on face makes skin brighter and radiant while reducing pigmentation, dullness and dark spots. Tomato and sugar scrub, which is very easy to do. Just cut a tomato in half and spread a teaspoon of fine sugar on it. Now gently scrub it all over your face. Tomato helps in soothing the skin. Honey is known for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Tomato honey mask. Strain tomato juice into a small plate or jar. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 2 tablespoons of tomato juice. Apply it on clean face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with cold water. Almond oil. Almonds are a rich source of vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, which help prevent cell damage and reduce UV damage to the skin caused by sun, and its emollient properties prevents premature aging, heals dry skin, reduces appearance of scars, and helps in improving skin tone. It's also helpful in reducing appearance of stretch marks. The most effective way to use vitamin E to treat hyperpigmentation is to pair it with vitamin C. Apply the oil on pigmented area and leave overnight. Rinse off in the morning with lukewarm water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. It's mild enough to be used daily. Every individual is unique, hence home remedies may not work in every case, and there are also times when an individual should see a doctor for a full diagnosis and medical treatment. Alongside a healthy and varied diet, you could consider taking supplements to strengthen the skin from within. Thank you.